How to download Andere simulator on laptop. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna look out for a method on how we can download Andere simulator on your laptop just by following some steps. So make sure to watch this video till the end, but before watching, make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So first thing first, open up your browser, and on your browser, on this very first page, you can see this Google. Under there, I want you to search for Andere simulator. Just type in Andere simulator and wait for it to be loaded. And here on the very first link, you can see a bunch of links here. I want you to go to the first link, either first or second link. Just tap on the link because both of them are the same link. So here, tap on the link. After that, just scroll down a bit and you should be able to see the download option. What you can do is just tap on this download option, and that should be downloaded on your device. You can see a bunch of features. It says what kind of simulator it is. You can just read the features if you want and download it onto your device. You can use any of the link given here. You may just tap on one of the link and download it on your device. So therefore, by following this method, you can download Andere simulator onto your device. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.